of the tenant in the flat, because that tenant in the flat was renting in the flat. Who had told us that he was keeping that criminal with him in the flat. His face came up in the social media. So his face being in the social media, people start speculating. They start saying that he's involved in criminal activities. The unfortunate part is, until we have a case registered by someone and the investigation then points into this particular individual, only then we can be able to effect an arrest. It's always dangerous when people are going to make noise and yet they don't report to the police. So whoever is a victim of such an individual, they are welcome to go to the nearest police station.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Unhlanhla mkhwana zokhuluma nga-flat owner walapha eManzi Mtoti le uphila ngenkosi. Is it phila ngenkosi Makhanya? Yes, uphila ngenkosi waya kubhaqa kuyo kuleli cala leli ala Olorado. Siyakhumbula ukuthi the flat owner wathi yena hey mkhwanazo wafika torenta imoto njani njani, wathi asingene endlini sitothandaza, but kunema victims who came forward bakhuluma ne-SABC ukuthi bayayadi leya voice, they know that voice very well, and that man as part of that syndicate. So Mkhwanazi is saying here ukuthi they cannot arrest the guy without information lephelele, without kokuthi umuntu aye ayombophisa avule iqala, because right now ayekho into letheni laba liphathekayo rada labanayo against the guy. So he's saying ukuthi kuze aboshwe guy kufuna ukuthi umuntu i-victim forward itovula liqala ngeke abaze bambophe based on hearsays, even though people are saying ukuthi isitori sakhe man, it doesn't make sense. It really doesn't make sense. But guys, mthetho, and it needs to be followed. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'm signing out, so goodbye.